Hi students, welcome to Branding and Identity, CIS 133. I'm your instructor, Chrissy Hughes. I am going to be giving you an intro video just to give you the lay of the land for this JetNet course. My office hours are located here, Tuesday, Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays, 10 to 2. I will be on Central Campus most Fridays, but I'll be in some meetings. And then Tuesdays and Thursdays, I'll be on Central Campus. Wednesdays online. I will respond within 24 to 48 hours, and I can provide you with any answers that you might need. The textbook here is within eBook Central through our Jackson College Library. It is free. I am really excited about that. You do have to log in with your username and password to obtain that book. It's Designing Brand Identity. It is by Alina Wheeler, I believe the name is, and then you would just sign in, and there it is. And you can read it online. You can download the book, and this book will go through, this gives you basically everything you need to be successful in this class. Go back here. Please read the syllabus. I will provide any announcements necessary here, and that should go directly to your email account. I will mention your email, check your JC email regularly, and definitely log into the course and do the work. We are required by law to report students that are not logging in early. So within the first week, if I notice you're not logging in, you will be kicked out of the course. So I do take attendance and monitor participation logs that way, just so you know. I'm very happy to respond to you within 24 to 48 hours. I want to be here to support you and your success. Go ahead and post an icebreaker, a little bit about yourself. I did so. It looks like Zachary started to do that already, which is great. And then be sure that you move through to these other forums. This peer support forum is sort of for everybody to support each other. If you're struggling with something, if something isn't viewing or a due date is off, certainly send me a quick email. I'm happy, I'm human, and I'm happy to fix anything you see that is completely off. The first unit module is revealed for you, and you should have the second one before the end of the week. You'll move through the instructions that way, and I have some videos that are pertinent to the content we're discussing, and then it tells you and talks about the credited assignments, the study sheet, the forum. You would do you'll look through the overview PowerPoint presentation, and then you'll answer the study sheet for this week 1, getting familiar with this JetNet course module, and then the forums up above as well. So if you have any questions, let me know. This is a 1-credit class. These will be revealed probably within the next couple weeks. You'll see all of it. You'll move from brand basics and ideals, which are a couple chapters in your text, to brand elements and dynamics, brand process and research, clarifying strategy, designing identity, creating touch points, and managing assets, and then best practices. Every single module might look similar. You have instructions, you have where to submit your work, and then a discussion. Best of luck to each of you. I look forward to working with you, and I'll see you in the next video.